Okay, today I'm going to make broccoli with mushrooms. I pounded here a quarter of a onion with two pips of garlic, some soaked shiitake mushroom. I have here with me pepper, cornflour diluted, light soya sauce, dark soya sauce, oyster sauce, and a little sugar. Now I'm going to mix into this bowl a little pepper, okay, about a tablespoon of light soya sauce, okay, about half tablespoon of dark soya sauce, and half tablespoon of oyster sauce. Now I'm going to take it and fry. I'm going also to put
Sugar.
a little bit of
Sugar.
sugar. Okay, I'm going to scald the broccoli first. Now take it out. And now I heat some oil. Then I'll add in the onions and garlic. Fry it until it's translucent. Add in the mushrooms. Then I put in the broccoli back again. And pour in the sauce. Okay, that's all. Okay, this is my broccoli with mushroom.